So far, we built the bones of a website, but right now it's just chaos. Text, images, all just floating around. So let's fix that today. Today we are giving your page a real structure with HTML divs, spans, and layout tags that holds everything together in its place. So you can think of a div like a container. It's like a box that holds a group of elements together, and it doesn't change how things look, but it helps to organize your layout and also later to use in your styling. So I can show you an example of how to use a div, and then you write div and then close it. And inside of this one, you can write whatever you want inside of it. So let's say hello world for this example. So basically, what this div does is it connects everything inside of it and makes it like a box. So you can change the styling of this whole thing and move it around and so on. So now we can talk about span. So basically, span is like, for example, you have a p tag and then it says hello world, and then inside of here we can write span, the close, and then copy this and put it here. So now basically what you can do with the span is you can change the styling of this specific word. So if you, for example, want it to have a different color or have a different font and so on, you'll be able to do that. So now we have gone through divs and spans. So let's talk about like the bigger brother for divs and spans. And this is semantic tags, which you'll see really soon how it works. So you write header. So here you can write h1 and then hello. And then you can have main in here. And inside of main you can write section. And then let's say hello world. And also you can also have article and write, for example. And then underneath the main you can write the footer. And then write like copyright, for example. So what these tags do is they basically tell the website browser what every tag is and where it's supposed to be. And this also helps your website and the structure of your website and also the CEO of your website. And also this is very good for when you are going to style your website later on. So now we can see how it looks if I go live. Now, as you can tell, it didn't really change the styling of the website, but this is really helpful for the web browser to know what every part is, and also it's going to help you a lot when you're going to go into the styling, which we're going to go through in a later video. And boom, your website now has a real great structure. But that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. If you missed any HTML lessons, you can go and catch up in the playlist. And also like, subscribe, and comment what part of web design you're most excited to learn. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!